Stores are open while the system is running. In a crisis, only what you have already prepared remains. Today, we preserve flour. Check whether the flour is wet or dry by squeezing it in your hand. Dry flour crumbles and wet flour remains as a lump. This flour is dry, and I will preserve it in the freezer. It will stay in the freezer for 72 hours. This will kill insects and larvae. After standing in the freezer for 72 hours, I will let the flour come to room temperature. Now I need clean and wash jars. I put flour at room temperature in jars, thus condensation and moisture will not form. When the crisis occurs, it is too late. Prepare a supply of food while it is available. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with sterilized and dry lids. Store the preserved flour in a dark place. Flour that is wet remains as a lump in the hand. I need dry jars. I will preserve this flour in the oven. The flour must not be wet because mold will form. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I don't store flour out of fear. I keep it because I know what a crisis looks like. I need a casserole dish from the oven. I put the jars in a cold oven. I turn on the oven at 100 degrees Celsius. When the oven reaches a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, the jars stay in the oven for 90 minutes. The oven is on all the time. After 90 minutes, I take out one jar. I immediately close the jars with dry and sterilized lids. Use protective gloves. We do everything while it's hot, and I repeat the procedure. Everything works as long as the system works. When it stops, you are left alone with what you have. Everyone copes the way they know how. This is my way. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.